At Spraying Systems Company, we engineer precision tank cleaning solutions that redefine efficiency. Meet the Cloud Sellers 360, our fluid-driven tank cleaner built to tackle tough residues inside tanker trucks. Its powerful rotating jets provide full 360-degree coverage, eliminating even the most stubborn residues quickly and efficiently. Mounted horizontally, it ensures more effective cleaning by optimizing spray impact across the entire tank surface. For smaller tanks and totes, our AA190, TJ50, and TankMaster tank cleaners provide powerful, efficient cleaning for a variety of applications. Extend the life of your equipment with our expert maintenance and repair services. Our dedicated service centers in the Midwest and West Coast provide fast, cost-effective repairs, helping you reduce downtime and keep your operations running at peak efficiency. Trust Spraying Systems Company for innovative tank cleaning solutions. Visit spray.com or contact us today to learn more.